Yo, what is up, guys? I am back. I don't know why I haven't been uploading videos for the last 5 days or something like that. I don't remember, but I just had no video ideas. And as I said in my last video and probably the video before that, please, please, please give me video ideas. I'm not like some sort of mastermind who can think of video ideas. Like, I don't know, Kalis, Fulton, Steak, other random stuff. So please, just give me video ideas. Anyway, I've got my friend Noah on Metacool and he's trying to speak to me like at this very second. So, yes, Noah, what do you want? Okay, so Noah wants to do backrooms in Animal Company because why not? And I'm in the complete wrong game. Let me just go into the game. Oh my god, my friend keeps on calling me. I just turned Indian. I will call you later. Yeah. That's not really good. I know, I'm not dumb like you. As you can see, guys, the new update in Animal Company is backrooms. So yeah. You've got 1 million gold. That doesn't buy you any. The bolt? Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah. Wait, why is it saying me? Okay.
See.
It says I can't join you, so I'm just gonna join this code.
Okay.
No. I'm joining VRFest now, as we literally speak. What? VR? Oh my god! Why have you made this so hard? I did that, and I'm joining in now. Let me join. I should be in. No one in this lobby. I don't like this anymore. No, can you join me? VRFS. Like VRFS. It's literally VRFS. Like the game VRFS. Were you that dumb? Oh, okay. There we go. I'm joining. It says connecting. Connected. Yay!
Let's wait.
Okay,
Wait, William.
Wait, no, don't leave
William.
the call. Just keep on bearing.
William.
Yeah. Oh wait, I think I
There
have
you
a
go.
big flashlight. Give me a sec.
Okay. I'm just gonna. I might know where the back room is.
Remote controller and what do I want? I'm gonna get a hammer. So I'm not skilled.
You don't need a hammer, bro.
I'm scared and I might be killed, who knows.
Okay, just come on.
Do you like my hammer that I stole from someone? If I whack it, I go flying, look. Bam! Bam!
Whoa. Whoa.
I know.
Okay, William.
No, did you know the backrooms can spawn anywhere? Like the backrooms door can spawn anywhere, so I don't know where you think you're going.
I thought it was up there.
No, I went up there. It's not backrooms, it's just hell.
What about there? Over there.
No, it's like... let's go back real quick. Look how quick I go. I'm so skilled. Last time I saw it, it spawned here. Should I go check? I'm gonna check YouTube. Give me.
At YouTube.
We're going on YouTube, guy. You are blinding me. We do not do that.
My bad, my bad.
YouTube.
I am a bit high.
What's up, Roger?
Yeah, you got an axe! Who's? Oh,
What is my view, babe? What is my view?
Jenny,
Oh my god.
he's on.
My viewing is insane. Like, where?
Where is
What?
that thing, boy?
Wait.
I've got a wrench.
Does.
Oh, I'm sitting in a pool. Because I'm
Does-
that cool.
No.
California. I love California, though.
Door. Spawn.
Is it? Everybody agrees that California girls are the best.
Spawn. In. Oh.
Ho ho ho! I've just made a mega flashlight.
E.
William, I've just made a mega flashlight.
I don't care.
No, you really should care.
Okay, let's watch a YouTube short, guys. We all love YouTube shorts.
Be quick, my girl's about to die.
About to die.
Not about to die. I'm gonna blind you. I'm gonna blind your eyes and one.
Why does none of this work?
Oh, can I go inside?
Wait, come on! Arena
Found
guns are
it.
over here,
Come over here.
You know how
Yeah, I know.
I'll just go get the gun.
Can you do this? Come over here and just.
By the way, it's dark. I've got two mega double triple
Be showing you how to get to the back
Flipple,
rooms.
dipple.
Oh my god.
It's kind of hidden. So.
pickle,
Here, I'm gonna show you.
pickle.
Where is
So you
it?
pretty much all you're gonna want to do is just like I'm just getting a.
I'm
two
going up
rockets,
trees to
this
tell me
just
which
makes it
one.
easier. But you're just gonna want to go fly over to like
Right.
where office is.
William,
Like
Yeah.
we're just right where office is.
tell me which time.
This has my mind to where this is.
And once you make it to office, all you gotta
You need to go to
do is
office.
just go in,
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me
just
come
walk
down.
in here,
Where's that?
Give me a sec.
just jump down these stairs, all the stairs, and then just go straight in the blue tape.
Oh, there.
Yeah,
That is so
everybody
hot.
is.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna be showing you how to get to the back rooms.
Okay,
because
okay, okay. Follow me,
it's
follow me,
It's
follow me.
kind of
follow me.
hidden, so here I'm gonna show you.
Wait, where did he go?
Oh, you're
So you pretty much all
Oh,
you're
yeah,
gonna
I
want
know
to
where
do
it
is like I'm just getting a
moving too fast.
2 rockets
Yep.
because this just makes
Stop
it
moving.
easier. But
You're
you're
moving
gonna
too
want to
fast.
go fly over to like where
I have
office
to.
is.
I don't know why.
Yeah, wait there. Stay still. Wait.
What the heck? Are you?
Wait.
Alright. And once
I
you make
told
it
you
to
to wait.
office,
Behind me.
all you gotta do is just go in,
Cool.
This is where it
just
is.
walk in here,
It's in here. Wait for
William, wait
it.
there. William, wait. Calm down.
jump down these stairs,
Yeah.
William,
all the stairs, and then just go straight in
You
the blue
jumped down these
tape.
stairs,
And then this is the back rooms.
Jump on me.
I'm gonna be showing you how to get to the back rooms.
and then
because
this is the door.
it's kind of.
Wait, don't go in.
Here, I'm gonna
Don't
show
go
you.
in.
So you pretty much all you're gonna
Don't
want to
go
do
in.
is just like I'm just
Let me
getting a.
stop the video from playing.